Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel, The Art Facets. So today I'm going to be making Bunny Chow. And I should thank my sister for this discovery because she was the one who picked up this recipe card outside of a grocery store, Woolworth in South Africa. Fortunately, she actually decided to make the recipe instead of discarding the card as we all usually do. But unfortunately, she lost the recipe, so I'm keeping my fingers crossed that the recipe that I found on YouTube is going to be similar to the one that we tasted in South Africa. So I have been reminiscing about the time we spent in South Africa recently, and I'm also wearing a bracelet with my name stitched using the country's colors. Enough said, let's get cracking, or rather chopping.
सल्ला खातून, मैं आपकी बहुत इज्जत करता हूँ। आपकी रहमदिली, आपका हौसला और आपकी ईमानदारी।
So the recipe also calls for potatoes. Far as I can recall, when my sister made this dish, she didn't add potatoes in it, so I am going to forego that step. Disclaimer: no bunnies were harmed in the making of this dish. I also think that the original traditional Bunny Chow dish does not call for bunny meat. I wonder where the dish name came from. We don't use nutmeg in our household that often, so I decided not to purchase any nutmeg and hence not included in the dish. So I'm using a non-stick pan, and that reminded me of this. For a while now, I've been using these mini spatulas. When I used to use them, the whole time I used to think to myself, and I even told my mom, that we need to buy a big spatula with the large handle. Guess what? Last night when I was unloading the dishwasher, I found this spatula on that side of the drawer. You know what my mom would have said in Urdu? Said that घर पे रह के भी चीज़ों का पता नहीं है कि कहाँ है. Aroma is cleaning up the kitchen and it smells really nice. Although I'm a little bit doubtful, I don't think this recipe has the taste of the Bunny Chow that my sister made in South Africa. Nonetheless, it still tastes really good. Oh, one more thing. Traditionally, Bunny Chow is usually served in a loaf of bread. But the way my sister served it in South Africa and the way that I'm going to be serving myself and my family today is on a bun. It's super convenient because you can just grab whatever buns you have available in your local grocery store. tell you, this doesn't taste as good and as delicious as the one that my sister made. I guess this is gonna be sort of an error and trial period until I can nail down the recipe, or rather the taste of the bunny chow that I had years ago. But it's still not that bad, and I'm pretty sure on a bun, with the bun, it would taste really good. The chicken still needs a little bit of cooking. And once that's done, then I will just serve it on the bun. I will show you guys. So I'm going to try to elevate the taste with garlic powder and ginger powder, because I don't have the paste and I don't want to make it right now. So because I'm lazy like that. Oh my god guys, so the garlic powder, I only added the garlic powder, I didn't add the ginger yet. And I think I'm not going to, because the garlic powder is really making the chicken smell so good. I'm excited to taste it out. And as you can see, I burned the handle of the spatula. Yay me! Either I burned food or I burned utensils. So there you go guys, it looks very appetizing and I can't wait to dig in. If you like any part of this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It really motivates me to continue making content and I really appreciate it. And don't forget to hit the notification button. With that, I will see you in my next video.